breathing in and out. The gentle rise and fall of your torso. Your heart is effortlessly beating, bringing life to you. See if you can tune in to this ebb and flow of life. Breathe in and out. Let the breath guide you. Inhaling and exhaling. Now, see if you can draw your attention to the sounds of your breathing. The air passing through your nose or mouth. Notice how there are differences between the sounds of your inhale compared with the sound of your exhale. Let your breath fade into the back of your mind now, and know that it is always happening automatically. Become aware of how relaxed you are right now in this moment. You have successfully tuned out the world around you. Fully focused on the soothing sound of my voice. In this moment, there are no frustrations or concerns. No worries or unpleasantness. You are just here and now. Comfortably in solitude.